Igbo na-ege ntị, anyị ekenekwa unu ọzọ na Igbo Media bụ ebe anyị si wee na-ewetara unu ya bụ nnukwu ozi dị oke mkpa gbasara maka ife na-eme n'obodo and gbasara maka nnwere onwe a na-azọ. Dịka o si dị, ọ bụ na ya mbọsị isi gị ị na-esola ya na Igbo Media, kabalụ ga subscribe and turn on your notification kelapụ ime isi any of our update dịka anyị na-drop ya na Igbo Media. Dịka o si dị, ewetara onye bụ nnukwu ihe kwesịrị ịma maka ụkọdụ na ọbụla anyị gbara nkịtị na pigosi na ya bụ ihe na-eme n'obodo and nnwere onwe nke ndị Igbo na-azọ. Nwere ihe mee n'iru akwụkwọ oge gara aga, mana ya bụ ife na ege ya bụ ife meenụ, unu ga-esi ya bụ ihe unu adọrọpụrụ anyị ọnụ kọmentị gbasara maka ihe ndị anyị chere ekwesị n'iru akwụkwọ. Alright, over to you, sir.
Hello everyone. Honestly, this country, we have a lot of evil people who just don't want progress, bigots that, their minds, I don't know how they live with themselves. I don't know how people live with such hatred in their heart, hatred for fellow citizens just because you don't share the same tribe or you don't share the same language or you don't share the same religion with them, and then there's this hate. I just wonder, how are those people able to live with themselves, able to really, those are people who will go through life being extremely bitter. Because I don't know why it's a problem to any of these people that the airpiece, the crew decided to wear, is it Isiagu they call it, this Igbo attire kind of this one. That has been the problem. Oh, some have come out. Are there no other tribe that were Nigeria? So are there no other tribe to do airline? Why have you left? Do your own airline. When you do your own airline, when it goes international, wear your own native cloth and carry it on. We will showcase all of them. Must we be limited to whatever it is that you want to check? If there are other, fine. There are other tribes, yes. Do the work. Put in the work. That's simple as. You can't be hating on somebody who is putting in the work when you are not putting the work. It's not possible. That's witchcraft. That's evilness. You sit down, you are not putting in the work, you're not doing anything. Somebody is putting in the work. He didn't take anything from you. He didn't stop you from putting the work. He didn't block the way you are the one that decided not to put in the work the way he or she has put in the work. And then you are just hating on the person. To the extent, if you see there was one tweet I saw. It was so vile. I was like, oh my goodness. One of the things, I didn't respond to the tweet because, I thought I had, apparently I didn't, I didn't munch it. I'm sure it was so vile in that way that I just ended up, but no matter, I was just munch it. He was literally cursing that the airpiece, this thing, may it have an accident, may it burn. Hey! Honestly, when our people say return to sender, let me even do it. It will be on his head that thing will go to. How are you so evil in your mind? How are you so evil? That airpiece, airpiece did its maiden. Sorry for those who probably are not Nigerians who don't understand the airpiece did its maiden flight from Lagos to London, Gatwick Airport, and it's Nigerians have been so happy about it. It's beautiful. We now have a direct flight, and I'm already hearing that even the other airlines they've opened up their cheaper tickets that they've blocked in Nigeria, although they said that it's because of the fact that they've paid them some of the monies and whatever. But then ticket prices are coming down, which is a good thing for us. We now have a direct flight. You can go to Lagos and fly direct, to London and do that. And for me, let's have more. May God give airpeace, the strength to grow more and more. May they have more success stories. Because if that is our national career, I'm good. If I can fly from Nigeria to London, Nigeria, direct flight to London, direct flight to US, direct flight to anywhere in the world, it's good for me. That's how national carriers are. It mustn't be that government must be the one to own it. So this is something, it's providing job, it's provide. And so when the person, and I'm not going to mention tribe because I just don't want this whole thing to be, the tribe of the person who had made that evil wish, because somebody will now go on and brought out like the organogram of Air Peace. On that particular page, that person's tribe had more than 70-80% of the staff there on the from the COO to the whatever, they are all from that tribe. There's his evilness, evil mindset. You see that thing, eh? Epic land that thing. Epic did it. Epic, beautiful. You know when they talk about advert and branding, whoever did that whole thing, fantastic. There was this part where the Allen Onyema, although say the other day he was just yarning nonsense. That's what some people were telling him. He should just focus on his earpiece. The business where persons have been made, they focus on, and where they may leave governance issue where you know how the genesis and whatever they support Cardoso or what, may just focus on his business. There was this thing that they did, and then Allen Onyema was like, he was in front, he was walking, and then the crew, as I see that thing, I'm proud. I'm proud. I made something come up for Nigeria. We're going to make us proud. It was so beautiful. And even he was walking this majestically. And then the crew were all coming. They were all smiling. Then anyway, shall just take a look at the thing. Even you self, proud. I was just trying to, proud. Just see them just walking majestically. Oh my goodness, it was just such a beautiful sight. Honestly, I love that. The branding, the showing. And then this thing, it is this thing that they wore. That is it, is how good they call it, the Igbo attire that they use, which was brilliant, amazing. That's what some people have been attacking. Anyway, instead of attacking it, why don't you do your own? Put your airline there now and wear your own attire. We will praise it. Anyone, the more the better. Let's have different Nigerian airlines flying to London, flying to every country in the world, so that I don't have to go to another person's country and go and stay at the airport for 3 hours. The other day I was flying to what's the name of Tbilisi. I was flying to Tbilisi. I had to stay at Doha airport for 9 hours. If there's a direct this thing, whatever airline is carrying, it's my benefit now. That's what is making that they wore their Igbo attire. And then there was something that some people said. It's they just want every 4 years. When these politicians will wear those attires and go to the southeast and be looking for votes, it's okay. That's the one that is okay. But a private person in his own business, using his own business to showcase his culture and wearing it on the crew, is what some people have problem with. You see that problem where you get, you will wrap that problem, you will put am for chest, you will take wrapper around that, it will stay there kakaraka. Since as you no wan get head, evil na it dey your mind, wey be say you dey get na those kind thing, na it dey worry you, something wey suppose wey give everybody joy, wey people dey happy for, but because your own mind na evilness, you go carry am like that, dey carry am go, you go dey look for who go help you drop am, you no go see.
Ndị be anyị, daalụ nne na ụmụ Igbo. Ọzọ dị ka ibe ya bụ, cheta na ihe a bụkwa Igbo Media ka anyị si wee na-ewetara unu ya bụ ozi a nụrụ n'ụbọchị nke taa bụ 2nd of February 2024. anyị si na ọ ya dịrị ncha niile na mma, na mgbe ikpeazụ na ncha niile ya ana Biafra ya adịrịrị, ana Igbo ya adị. ise 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 dịka ige ya bụ ife ka ife nwere ikwu gbasata maka ya bụ ife airdrop n'iru akwụkwọ a. chetakwanụ, I need your own comment and share ya ka o riche many Biafrans aka, ka ha mara ihe na-eme, ka ha sọpọtụ Maazị Nnamdi Kanu n'ihe ọ na-eme, ka ha sọpọtụ Maazị Simon Ekpa na ọdịm na mma ndị Igbo ka ọ na-azụ, ọ bụrụ ọdịm na mma ụmụnne ya na ụmụnne ya. Ọ gwụnakwa ha n'ọnụ. Daalụ nri nenu ngwa nke mesịanụ.